As the sun dips below the horizon, Istanbul transforms into a city of shimmering lights and lively energy, offering an unforgettable nightlife that blends history, culture, and modern vibrancy. The Bosphorus Strait, dividing the city into its European and Asian sides, sparkles under the moonlight, its waters reflecting the golden lights of passing boats and the grandeur of waterfront mansions. The iconic Galata Tower stands tall, its illuminated silhouette casting a romantic glow over the surrounding streets of Karaköy. Here the night begins with locals and visitors crowding into rooftop bars and terraces, sipping on Turkish raki or expertly crafted cocktails, while marveling at breathtaking views of the Bosphorus and the illuminated skyline of Sultanahmet in the distance. The rhythmic hum of Turkish music drifts from nearby meyhanes, traditional taverns, where friends and strangers gather to share small plates of meze and toast to the beauty of the evening. In Taksim, the heart of Istanbul's modern nightlife, Istiklal Avenue pulsates with life. This pedestrian street, alive with music, laughter, and the aroma of street food, stretches into a labyrinth of narrow alleys lined with eclectic bars, cafes, and hidden nightclubs. Street performers captivate crowds with impromptu shows of Turkish folk music or fiery belly dancing, drawing in curious passersby. Inside the clubs, the energy is electric, with DJs spinning everything from Turkish pop to international house beats, while locals and tourists alike lose themselves in the music and the joy of the moment. For those seeking a more cultural experience, theaters and live music venues offer performances ranging from traditional Turkish folk to contemporary jazz, showcasing Istanbul's diverse artistic soul. On the Asian side, Kadıköy exudes a more bohemian charm. Its streets are alive with laughter and conversation, spilling out from cozy bars and open-air pubs. The district's artsy vibe comes to life at night, with alternative music performances, indie cinemas, and art exhibitions blending seamlessly into the rhythm of the evening. Moda, a nearby neighborhood, offers quieter options for those looking to escape the hustle. Here you can walk along the waterfront promenade under the soft glow of streetlights, the sound of the waves adding a serene soundtrack to your night. Couples stroll hand in hand, sharing roasted chestnuts or simit, a sesame-coated bread, while gazing at the distant glow of the European side. The Bosphorus itself becomes a stage for magical experiences. Nighttime cruises, whether on luxurious yachts or lively party boats, provide a unique perspective of the city. Passengers dine on Turkish delicacies while traditional live music or dazzling whirling dervish performances unfold before them. The gentle sway of the boat, the cool breeze, and the sparkling views of Istanbul's landmarks, such as the Bosphorus Bridge and the magnificent Dolmabahce Palace, create an enchanting atmosphere. As the bridge lights shift in a mesmerizing array of colors, they seem to dance in harmony with the city's vibrant pulse. Further south, the historical Sultanahmet district takes on a quieter, almost mystical air. The domes and minarets of the Blue Mosque and Hagia Sophia, bathed in golden floodlights, stand as timeless guardians of the night, evoking awe and reverence. In nearby gardens, families gather, enjoying tea from steaming samovars, while street vendors sell warm snacks like roasted corn and sweet kestane, chestnuts. This peaceful side of Istanbul at night contrasts beautifully with the bustling energy of its entertainment hubs, offering a moment of reflection amidst the city's non-stop rhythm. No description of Istanbul's nightlife is complete without mentioning the culinary delights that define its evening scene. Late-night eateries and lokantas, casual restaurants, stay open well past midnight, offering mouth-watering dishes like Iskender kebab, pide, and freshly grilled fish sandwiches along the Galata Bridge. For dessert, locals head to bustling baklava shops or sip on thick, velvety Turkish coffee, often paired with a sweet lokum, Turkish delight. Meanwhile, food carts dot the streets selling durum, wraps, or kokoreç, seasoned lamb intestines, satisfying cravings for adventurous food lovers. As the hours slip into the early morning, the city's underground venues keep the night alive. Secret speakeasies and late-night jazz bars draw the nocturnal crowd, offering intimate spaces for unwinding. The echo of smooth saxophone melodies blends with the distant hum of the city, creating an ambiance that feels both timeless and uniquely Istanbul. By the time dawn approaches, the streets begin to quiet down, but not before night owls gather for a final meal. A steaming bowl of chorba, soup, often often served in unassuming eateries, marks the end of the night and the beginning of a new day. In Istanbul, nightlife is not just about revelry, it's a sensory journey that showcases the city's dynamic soul. From the glitz of rooftop lounges overlooking a glittering skyline to the intimate charm of traditional music venues tucked into historic alleys, every moment feels like an invitation to discover a new facet of this enchanting city. Istanbul by night is a living tapestry of culture, celebration, and timeless beauty, a magical experience that lingers in your heart long after the lights have faded. Exploring Istanbul by night, a vibrant street walking experience. As the sun sets over Istanbul, the city comes alive with a different kind of energy. A walk through its bustling streets after dark reveals a city brimming with life, culture, and endless possibilities. Istanbul, where East meets West, offers a unique blend of history, modernity, and vibrancy, making it an ideal destination for nightlife enthusiasts, shoppers, cafe lovers, and sightseeing explorers. Nightlife in Istanbul, a cultural kaleidoscope. The nightlife in Istanbul